Sir, shake my hand, it's a pleasure to meet you. I'm not trying to waste your time. My name is miserable and full of regret, but I'm trying to change that life. Up in my head are all the times that I've seen you and wish that you were dead. But one by one they turn and point at me until I wish my demise instead. Because I've heard all the things that you say to me, to hold my head high and pick up my feet, but I think you'll agree I'm not quite ready to go. Cause we can look up, yeah we can let go, yeah we can let go of this tonight. Cause we are alive and we're not alone. I'm finding love within the light. Yeah, without a doubt I am full of hesitation. I'm positive that I'm unsure that the disease in my lungs that is keeping me from singing is so lonely without a cure.